Welcome to the new episode of Dental Chat with Dr. Prissy. So today we are going to discuss about what all things we need to take care after tooth extraction or tooth removal. What all things should be done, what all things should not be done. So it's important to know that what should not be done. It's more important that what should be done. If you are viewing this channel for first time, please subscribe and please click the notification bell button and please share this useful information to your loved ones. So we all know before tooth extraction, the doctor will give a local anesthetic injection to you. So usually this local anesthetic injection, the effect will last for 45 minutes to 1.5 hours normally. So after that you will get paining. So usually your dentist will prescribe painkillers to you. So after extraction, you have to take tablets, painkiller tablets after 30 minutes of your tooth extraction. So before taking the tablets, you have to take some juices or fruit juices. Usually if you are taking fruit juices, it should be not too much hot. It should be little cold only. You should not use straws for drinking juices. And after 6 or 7 hours, if you are feeling like you are developing swelling in that area, means you can use your ice cubes in your fridge and you can use ice cubes for rubbing in that area. It will subside that swelling. And from next day morning onwards, you can use salt water gargle twice a day for 2 days or 3 days. Usually by this home remedies, it will subside. Please take care that you avoid all spicy and cool drinks and all hot beverages or hot food and all. And please do take care that you avoid hard food or chewing in that extracted area. If your doctor had given you suture in that tooth extracted area, by 7th or 5th day, it should be removed. If you are developing big swelling, you can do salt water gargling as I said earlier. And for mouth opening, you will be having restricted mouth opening if you are having swelling. So what should be done is that you should do mouth opening exercises. You should open your mouth very wide as much as possible, then close. Like that 10 times you should do and take 2 minutes rest. Again the same thing you repeat, again 2 minutes rest. So as much as possible you try to do these things so that your swelling will be reduced and you will reduce the restricted mouth opening. So all such problems will be cleared. So in some cases, you will develop some complications after extraction such as uncontrolled bleeding. Even after taking such home remedies also, uncontrolled bleeding and uncontrollable swelling. If the swelling size is increasing bigger day by day, like after 3rd day also you will have severe pain. All such cases if happens, please consult your respective doctors and consult for expert opinion. After extraction, mostly by 2 weeks, the extracted site will be healed properly. So after extraction also you have to replace that missing tooth with some artificial tooth. You may have options of removable artificial teeth and fixed artificial teeth. Removable dentures are available which we are removing at night and wearing in the morning. Like that removable denture options are there. Or fixed option, if you want fixed option, you have implant option or you have bridge option. So you have to replace that missing tooth with some artificial tooth, because if you are not trying to replace it, the adjacent teeth can tilt to that extracted area and it will cause gradually the loosening of the tooth. Again it will go for extraction. So try to save maximum the teeth which you have and try to keep smiling. I hope you understand all those things which I have told in this video. If you like this video, please click the like button, subscribe if you are not yet subscribed this channel, and please share this information to your beloved ones. So next episode we will have some another interesting topic. Till then, take care. Bye.